Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a Regal coin updated. They have redesigned the website and shortly we are going to review what all the changes they have done, and most important thing is now we can able to log into the Regal coin website. You can check that out right now, and before that we will see a disclaimer first. So disclaimer, please note I am not a financial advisor and any information content in the video is my own opinion and is not to be taken as a financial advice. Please do your own due diligence before making any investment and never invest more than you are afford to lose. And after that we will also see the secrets of lending. This is my first secret, so keep it with you. Lend only on new lending platform, that too with ICO gains. Second, never reinvest until your interest reaches capital. When interest reaches capital, take out the capital and put on other ICOs, and maybe if you want you can put it on your fiat currency for your savings, but still I don't recommend to reinvest. Just enjoy the interest and convert to BTC periodically. Fourth one, finally, scam them before they scam us, so try to exit as soon as possible. 5, don't keep all your eggs on one basket. That is really very dangerous. So this is my secrets about lending. So without wasting further time, let's go back and review the new changes that was made on the Regal coin website. The first major update is now we can able to successfully log in, and they were building or they were reconstructing the website for the past 1 month. So I was curious to see what are the changes they have implemented on the new website, but really it was not much as what I expected. I was a bit disappointed with their changes that was made on the website. First one is I couldn't see an icon called lending here. That was the major bug. Initially I was thought that it was a major bug, then I came to know that they have removed the lending logic. Yes, the lending platform is no more available. There is no lending on the Regal coin. That is the one of the major update, one of the major changes they have made in the Regal coin. And what they did is they are saying that lending, they have replaced it with the staking, but still I'm not clear about what they are trying to do, but because I couldn't able to access some of the links here still, and I think it's still on developing, but just they give us an access to log into a dashboard. And one of the thing which I saw is all my lending money is converted to R7. Yes, they have introduced a new coin called R7 to increase the price of Regal coin. I'm just wondering this because this Regal coin was nearly trading around $80 on the month of October, and now it reaches 2.17. So they should do something to stabilize this Regal coin first before introducing another new coin. But what they did is they have introduced a new coin and they are saying that they are going to stabilize the platform, but they didn't think about the investor who invested heavily on this Regal coin. They don't even bother about them. So there is the real fact. And yeah, so as soon as I log in, I got this pop-up. When I click on this pop-up, they introduced the Regal coin update. It's a form of our concern. R7, the new Regal coin, that is R7, is a form of our concern against the big family Regal coin across the world. And R7 is the result of struggle and our love upon Regal and big family Regal worldwide. They are trying to project something, but I really don't know what they are trying to project. And they are saying that R7 is not just a coin, but the function and benefits behind R7 will have a positive impact on REC. Here they are just trying to map this R7 with REC. And stay tuned, we are heading to the moon. Yes, they are going to the moon right now. Let's wait and watch. And here you cannot see any lending platform, and the transaction are all remain same and haven't done any changes on that. So still they are making a trip to Thailand, and in the news website I saw that they are postponing this Thailand trip, and they have not yet finalized the Thailand trip. So if you guys are planning to go to Thailand, just stay tuned and wait for their updates. Christmas and New Year, still they are enjoying the Christmas and New Year. This has to be taken, maybe it's for 2018 I hope, and they are conducting the competition for the past 10 months. So I don't know when they are going to complete this one. Let's go to dashboard, and this is a new dashboard they have designed for the past 1 month. They have constructing the website, and this is a new dashboard as usual. icon 1%, but now they fixed it as a 1%, 1%, 1%. I think they're going to apply this 1% to this Regal coin value, that is 111. I have invested some $100 to check how this works, and I got $10 for the past 1 month. Yes, that was the interest I earned for past 1 month. I was a bit disappointed with that. And Regal coin, but still they are having the Regal coin, because whatever the amount I have invested on the lending platform, they converted into this R7 coin, that is a newly introduced coin. And whatever the Regal coin I have kept, they remain it in the Regal coin place, and Bitcoin I haven't keep any Bitcoin, so 0. And one more important thing is exchange. They are still developing the exchange. For the past 4 or 5 months they are working on the development of exchange. I think they are going to introduce a new coin called Regal Exchange, and they are going to start ICO for completing this exchange. So I'm very eager to participate on the ICO. Let's see when they are going to complete this Regal coin exchange. I'm curious. And one more thing, I have reached out the support team to how to sell this R7 coin, and I'm still waiting for the reply. As soon as they reply, or as soon as they give us steps to convert this R7 to BTC, I'm going to sell all this R7, because I don't want this R7 anymore. I don't know what is the R7, and they didn't even describe what this R7 is. Only they mentioned that they are going to moon as soon as possible. That is what the update in the news, but still I'm hoping for the reply from the support team on how to convert this R7 to a BTC. So as soon as I get the update, I will notify you guys. So until then, stay tuned and go to a Regal coin now. If you already have signed up and invested in Regal coin lending, you can just log in and see how the lending is converted to R7 coin, and just enjoy that. Thank you guys. I will catch you in the next video, and in the next video we will see the future ICOs and lending strategies and other cryptocurrency updates. So until then, stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, give thumbs up and share this video with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.